Good evening, students. Welcome back to my channel, AXACity. So, in this video, we are going to discuss about 9th October 2021 IELTS Writing Task 2 essay questions based on the topic. So, we already updated the complete prediction of 9th October regarding the LRW section. As you know, it's an academic only test date, and in this video, we will discuss about some questions under each topic for your practice purpose. So try to practice with this. Don't expect the questions same like this in your real exam. So you can expect the same topic. So try to prepare some points in general. So the first topic is work. Some companies have uniforms for their staff which must be worn at all times. What are the advantages for a company having a uniform? Are there any benefits of having a uniform for the staff? So here you need to answer for both the part of the question. It's coming under direct question. Next one, advertisement and consumerism. People buy a product if it fulfills their needs. There is no need for advertisement. To what extent do you agree or disagree with this? Coming under to what extent you need to write about agreement and disagreement side. Next one, government role in education. Some people think that the government should invest more money in teaching science than other subjects like art, humanities, mathematics, and all to make progress. Do you agree or disagree? One sided opinion essay. You can agree or you can disagree. Next topic, language. Although there is a lot of translation software available, learning a language still could be advantageous. To what extent do you agree or disagree? So here also you need to write about the advantages of the softwares available, that means translation software, and also about the learning of language. Next one, celebrities and youngsters. Nowadays celebrities are more famous for their glamour and wealth than for their achievements, and this has set a bad example for young people. To what extent do you agree or disagree? So try to mention about the agreement and disagreement side. Next topic, artificial intelligence. Today, more and more people use robots to do tasks at home and work. Do you think it is a positive or negative element, and why? Here it's also coming under two-part essay. You need to write whether it is a positive or negative element, and you want to give reasons for that. Next one, under fashion and clothing. In many countries, people wear more Western style clothes like suits and jeans than their traditional clothes. Why? Is it a positive or negative element? You need to answer for the question why. That means in the first body paragraph, you need to write about the reasons. Then only you want to write your opinion whether it is a positive or negative element. Next one, society and social issues. Some people think that in the modern society, individuals are becoming more dependent on each other, while others say that individuals are becoming more independent of each other. Discuss both the side and try to give your opinion. So try to arrange the third body paragraph with your opinion. Next one, about food habits. Fast food is becoming one part of life everywhere. This has bad effects on our lifestyle and diet. To what extent do you agree or disagree? Next one, globalization and people's life. Some people think the spread of multinational companies and globalization produce positive outcomes for everyone. Do you agree or disagree with the statement? Coming under one-sided opinion essay, either you can agree or you can disagree and try to give relevant reasons. Next one, under environmental problems. The key solution for the environmental issues is for the current generation to live a less comfortable life to benefit future generation. That means try to avoid the over exploitation of resources and all, and take care about the pollution like that. To what extent do you agree or disagree? Try to write about the agreement and disagreement side. So the next topic is crime and advancement in technology, or else you can expect anything under crime and punishment. Many scientists believe that now we can study the behavior of a 3-year-old child to see whether they will grow up to be criminals. To what extent do you think crime is determined by human nature? It is possible to stop children from growing up to be criminals. It's coming under two-part essay. You need to answer for both the part of the question. Next one, under food imports or exports, related to the imported food items and our eating habits. Countries should produce the food that their population eats and import as little as possible. To what extent do you agree or disagree? Give reasons and example to your answer. So here also coming under to what extent type. Next one, under animal extinction or related to environmental problems. Some people believe that too many resources and attention are devoted to the protection of wild animals and birds. To what extent do you agree or disagree? So whenever they ask for to what extent, need to explain about the agreement and disagreement side. Next one, under transportation. The most effective way to solve traffic and transport problems in the cities is to discourage people from the suburb or the countryside from moving to the cities. To what extent do you agree or disagree? Okay, it's about the movement of people from rural area to the urban area. So they will ask about the causes and also the effect in both the places. So the next one, international aid or foreign aid. Rich countries often give financial aid to poor countries, but it does not solve poverty. So rich countries should give other types of help to poor countries rather than financial aid. To what extent do you agree or disagree? You need to mention about the agreement and disagreement side. Next one about university education, or they can ask about something related to the university students. Today, more and more full-time university students focus on other activities rather than spend a lot of time studying. Some people think it is essential for university students to be involved in other activities like extracurricular activities. To what extent do you agree or disagree? Next one related to environmental problems. Some people think it is one of the best way to solve environmental problem by increasing the cost of fuel for cars and other vehicles. Then we can avoid the traffic congestion and also the pollution. To what extent do you agree or disagree? Next one, government and housing. There aren't many houses to accommodate people, so it has severe social consequences. Only the government can solve this problem. To what extent do you agree or disagree? It's related to housing shortage. Next one, government and art sector. Funding of government in art sector. Some people think that the government is wasting money on arts and that this money could be better spent elsewhere related to health sector or transportation. Okay, to what extent do you agree with this view? So here you need to mention about the importance of funding in art sector and also related to the funding of public services. Next one, sports and games. Companies should provide sports and social facilities for local people rather than investing on international sporting events like Olympics. To what extent do you agree or disagree? So here also you need to write about the importance of these international events and also the local centers for the community people. Next one, communication technology. Communication through text messaging and other instant forms of online communication are short and basic. Some people think this will be the death of grammar and spelling. To what extent do you agree or disagree? Next one, under information technology, some people think that public libraries are not necessary, whereas others believe that they are essential for people. To what extent do you agree or disagree with this? Because most of the people have these internet sources at their home itself. That's why. Next one, travel and tourism. It is not necessary to travel to other places to learn about other culture of other people. We can learn just as much as from books, films, and internet. Do you agree or disagree? One-sided opinion essay. Either you can agree or you can disagree with this. Next one, education and technology. In the past, lectures were used as a way of teaching a large number of students, but now with the development of technology for education, many people think there is no justification for attending lectures. Discuss both the side and try to give your opinion. You want to discuss both the side and give your opinion in third body paragraph. Next one, about space research. Living on Earth would become difficult in the future, so more money should be spent on researching other planets to live like Mars. To what extent do you agree or disagree? So that's you can expect the questions based on this technology, science, and related to this artificial intelligence. Next one, family and relations. Some people believe that the whole family, grandparents, uncle, aunts, bringing up children is better than only parents. What is your opinion? So it's coming under opinion type essay. Next one, old versus young or related to old and younger group. The young should take advices from old people than young people. Do you agree or disagree? One-sided opinion essay. Next one, buildings and infrastructure. It is too expensive to look after and repair old buildings. This money should be spent on building modern buildings instead. To what extent do you agree or disagree? You need to mention about the importance of old building and also about the new buildings or new infrastructures. Next one, sports and games. Some people think that the government should ban dangerous sports, but others think that people should have the freedom to do whatever sports activities they choose. Discuss both the side and try to give your opinion. So describe your opinion in detail. So the next topic, tradition and culture. Some people think that young people should follow the tradition of their society. Others think young people should be free to behave as individuals. Discuss both views and try to give your opinion. So it's related to tradition, culture, the custom related questions. Next one under work and salary. Directors of large organization earn much higher salaries than ordinary employees do. Some people think it is necessary, but others hold that it is unfair. Discuss both the side and try to give your opinion. It is very important topic to collect some points related to work. They can ask about the salary systems, about the employees, employers, selection criteria, or related to these temporary and permanent jobs. So try to collect some points in general. Next one related to technologies. Under that, mobile phone. Some people believe that mobile phone conversation should be banned in crowded and social places. Others disagree. Discuss both the side and try to give your opinion. Next one under environment, loss of biodiversity, or we can say animal extinction. Human activities have negative effects on plants and animal species. Some people think it is too late to do anything about this problem. Others believe that effective measures can be taken to improve this situation. Discuss both the side and try to give your opinion. Next one related to arts, that means music. Some people think that music plays an important role in society. Others think it's just a form of entertainment or relaxation purpose. Discuss both the side and try to give your opinion. Next one under history. Some people say that history has little or nothing to offer, while others say that the study of past help the present. Discuss both the side and try to give your opinion. So they can ask about our local history or about international history or world history. Next one, health and exercises. Some people think the best way to stay fit is to join gym or health club, while others think doing everyday activities such as walking and climbing stairs is sufficient. Discuss both the side and try to give your opinion. Next one related to people and characteristics. Discipline is an ever increasing problem in modern schools. Some people think that discipline should be the responsibility of teachers, while others think that it is the role of parents. Discuss both the side and give your opinion. So next one under education. Some people think that formal education should start for children as early as possible, while others think that it should not start until the year of 7. Discuss both the side and try to give your opinion. You need to discuss about both the argument in two different body paragraph with relevant examples and give your opinion. Next one related to people and life. Some people argue that it is best to accept a bad situation, such as an unsatisfactory job or shortage of money. Others believe that it is better to try and improve such situation. Discuss both the side and try to give your opinion. Next one related to art sector. Some people believe anyone can create art like paint, music, poetry and all, while others believe that people with specific ability, that means inborn or innate ability, can create art. Discuss both the side and try to give your opinion. You need to discuss about the acquired ability of art and also about the innate ability and your opinion. Next one, urbanization. Some people think new houses need to be built with public outdoor space such as garden, yard or balcony. Do you think this is more advantageous or more disadvantageous? Coming under outweigh type of question, you need to write about any particular side in detail, and other side you can arrange in single body paragraph. Next one about youngsters and gap year. In some countries, young people are encouraged to work or travel for a year between finishing high school and starting university studies. Discuss the advantages and disadvantages of young people who decided to do this, that means taking an year off. Next one, natural resources. Demand for gas and oil is increasing, and so finding new resources in remote and untouched areas is a necessity. Do the advantages of this outweigh the disadvantages? Again, outweigh type of question. Next one related to migration. Young people are leaving their homes from rural areas to study or work in the cities. What are the reasons? Do the advantages of this development outweigh the disadvantages? You need to answer for both the part of the question. You can expect the questions related to overseas education or work. Transportation, car drivers and cyclists share the same road, and this can cause problems for both of them. Why is this the case? What measures can be taken to solve this problem? Coming under problem solution essay, you need to discuss the causes and also the solutions. So next one, food. The demand for food is increasing worldwide. Why has it happened? What measures could be the international community take to improve the situation? Again, coming under problem solution essay. Next one, world issues. Overpopulation in urban areas has led to numerous problems. Identify one or two serious ones and suggest ways the government and individual can tackle these problems. So it's related to overpopulation. You need to explain about the causes and also the solutions to tackle the overpopulation problems. Next one, business and marketing. Large businesses have big budget for marketing and promotion, and as a result people gravitate towards buying their product. What problems does it cause? What could be done to encourage people to buy more local products? Coming under problem solution essay again. Next topic, people and characteristics. Some people think that it is good to be ambitious. How important is to be ambitious? Do you think it's good characteristics? Coming under two-part essay, you need to write about both the part. Next one, arts. Art is considered an essential part of all cultures throughout the world. However, these days, fewer and fewer people appreciate art and turn their focus to science, technology, and business. Why do you think that is? What could be done to encourage more people to take an interest in the arts? Coming under problem solution essay. Next one, news media. Some people think that news media has influenced people's life in a negative way. Do you agree or disagree? One sided opinion essay. You can expect any questions based on media platforms, TV, radio, like that. Next one, children or related to child development. Nowadays, children are facing more pressures from academic, social, and commercial perspectives. What are the causes of this pressure and how to solve this? You need to explain about each type of pressure and solution. Next one, crime and punishment. Studies show that crime rates are lower among those with educational degrees. Therefore, the best way to reduce the crime rate is to educate criminals while they are still in prison. To what extent do you agree or disagree? You need to explain about the agreement and disagreement side. Next one, related to old age. It is expected that there will be higher proportion of old people than young people in the future in some countries. Do you think this is a positive or negative development? Coming under opinion type essay, either you can be in one side or you can write about the positive and negative side. Next one, related to gender differences, men versus women. Nowadays, some workplaces turn to employ equal number of men and women for work. Is this a positive or negative development? Either you can be in one side or you can write about the positive and negative aspects of this. So that's it. So try to collect some points in general. All the best for your exams. Keep on watching this page for more IELTS updates. Thank you.